Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn math.
Excuse me, teacher, can I go to the restroom?
Yes, but hurry back.
I'm going to pull down the fire alarm switch since there's no fire.
It's the fire alarm goes off. Get in line.
Okay everyone, this was not a fire drill nor there's a fire in the building. However, Cookie Cutie's brother pulled down the fire alarm switch. He will be sent to my office and be suspended.
Cookie Cutie's brother, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. Go to the principal's office now. I'm calling your parents.
So Cookie Cutie's brother, why did you pull down the fire alarm switch?
Because I wanted to prank the whole school.
Cookie Cutie's brother, how do you pull down the fire alarm switch for a prank? That's it. You are suspended for a month. Your Cookie Cutie's parents and Cookie Cutie is on their way.
Cookie Cutie's brother, let's go home right now. You're so grounded when we get home. Cookie Cutie's brother, I can't believe you got suspended for pulling down the fire alarm switch. Why would you do that?
Because I wanted to prank the whole school.
You do not ever pull down the fire alarm switch. Your apology is not good enough. That's it. You are grounded for 1 trillion years.
Go to your room now, the stupid brother.